Okay, continuation, no? This is the 3, no? Stage 3, no? Sa explanation, the final explanation, yeah. So here, no, from the red to sa Department of Health, no? Their Harkey Satina, no? Again, Harkey Satina, in which, no? Vicente Soto Memorial Medical Center, by which, no? Hey, are you okay? That's the time. If you admit the patient, it's breathless or pulseless, no? Again, mo lagi nga, andam gito tala, no? Again, mo lagi na ni Vinchota Binwis, ni Sud Tao Marathoner. So here, 2004, no? Again, at the Southeast Asian Games, no? We're working at the Soto Hospital, yeah? There, no? Southeast Asian Games, this one is the champion, yeah? Puro rin sila mga champion, no? There. Again, here, Smyrna, no? Again, I can forget, again, mo niya kung ikuha na ng Mary Grace de Los Santos, kanang Tabal, and then iko GC, in which pagpaningkamot mo, tabangan ta mo, nga ako'y mudas yung muscles, by which si Mary Grace de Los Santos, no? Nga napili-pili naman siya ni Tabal, akong gitabangan, by which lagi nga heart okay. So karon congratulations nga nasa Air Force, no? Mo lagi dili pusili ang kuptan, no? Dagan ra, PL ra, sapatos ra. Again, congratulations pod kay siya, oy, Queen Marathon of the Singapore, Queen of the Marathon in the Hong Kong, Queen of the Marathon in Malaysia, by which, no, ako siyang giinan nga, dili kita pareho sa Ginoo, no, gibagay-bagay gini sa Ginoo, kay usually 100% is the brain, no, 100% is the brain, no, mo lagi na, uy, katong mga champion, sa mga unsa na sila mga country, uy, pareha rata, tao rata, uy, nakaribanga na sila, gilanta na sila, uy, yung muna nga, pildi yun ka, again, pure, muna, ayo, yun, no, again, trust and faith. Kuni si Gretchen Malalado is about discuss sermon sa ABS-CBN, no, here. Again, after that one yang nga isulta pagka-marathon, so ibalik-balik naman to na to, no. So here, finish 50K, yeah, there, no. There's the standard marathon, no, there. By which tatugin ko lang, so 11 marathons on one full marathons, 11 full marathons, wala abot ang 10K. So there, no. Again, this is the atong experience, no, sa Southeast Asian Games, by which nga this poster sa GMA, no, here. And then this is from the Singapore, no, by which magpa-stretching sila na ko niya. Ginan ko nga, bawal ako sa stretch, kay basi niya ko lugma, kung ano nga, imong piangan ba, something, you know. So here's the sa Karatino team, is, ano, mga head nila, no. So again, this is the head. This is the coach, yeah, from Italy, there, no. And then Harsat, yeah, there. And this is from Malaysia and Thailand, no? Again, Thailand. So, nagka-jamming many pagkahuman sa Southeast Asian Games. Kaya, nagkuhan sila ng pamasals, no? Again, so here, this is the ID, no? And then, the 23 Southeast Asian Games. Again, complete to, no? Again, anak ka, careful, no? So, here, mo lagi na in every time, no? So, injury or prevention, by which ni sud ka pagka-athlete, no? Kay haron makuha na kung ma-prevent na kung unsay muscle ma-wasted, maka-feel ko sa athlete, unsay pain, unsay kasakito, no, by which maurag na injury prevention, gasolina dara, maurag na, no, muscle imbalance or prevention, imbalance lagi ni tanan, again, imbalance lagi ni tanan, by which maurag ito nga, ang ako, how many videos in there, tanang sakit, no, education lagi sa human anatomy, no, then improve running economy, by which, no, this is the difficult part of my kanang research and study, by which lagi giingnan ko sa, so here, no, again, mo to na abutan ni Dr. Yong Rasabal, the owner of Cebu Doctors Hospital, that's the trust and faith. This is the movable board there. So here, again, you know, improve na, kahoy pa kayo ng wapan ko, maikog ko so na, but ako yung gimbinto, there, no, so kahoy, again, Dr. Yong, no, eye specialist, no, surgeon, one of the owners of Cebu Doctors, movable board, fine muscles, sub-4, no, sub-4 siya, history po rin niya, by which kita coach, no. So again, pinakanindot ito niya, tungkol sa kapaka-proud niya, no, again, tungkol po sa itong research, study, and develop, no. So here, no, proud finisher triumph in Macau, yeah. There's Duna Cruz, no, Harkey Satina, Evan Fowler, here, the word, no, mas proud pa ko, no, kaya nakapahuman ko sa duha, no. Again, pinakalisod din ako, by which lang, tanan, no, financial na, amin say financial, ang kini, sabot, research and study, by which, ikinukatan akong ticket ni Dr. Yong, by which nga mo, islisod na makagbalibad, no, so, studihan ni gani mo, and then, the media itself, no, sus, deli ka man, si Duna, matod palagi siyang mami, last na kung di ginan ako makalimtan, heart, careful with Duna, because, lampa, no, sus, ginsa na, sus, dali ako nung matumba si Duna, no, sa bata pa, by which maugi na akong gi-research for I studied through Boston Marathon. I've been researching to Dr. Kronsky mo na naabot na ako, no. So here's, no, this is not a Sun Star, the Freeman, this is a Philippine Star, national news, no, in which lagi si Ricky Lo nga wa magikon na ikiya matud pa sa mga celebrity, no, nga we here my words Coach Harty Satina in there, no, again sus through trust and faith, no, trust and faith. Here's Duna Cruz ya oda movable board also mo lagi na nga strengthening to sloy dili to nga dagan-dagan na, no, so na strengthening, no, na massage, no, again Filipina celebrity with full marathon, no, twice pa strengthening exercises, weights, no, or barrel, no, movable board here, no, again gigamit ito na circle in here, again this is nagkanta, no, I hope nga mo kini siya atong endorsers aning ko, ano, after sa katong ang mga endorser gid nga gipagawa sa ospital, gipadana oxygen machine ug tangke, no, after siguro 3 months after mga artista siguro, no, which lagi nga helping people, especially for the poor, no, no gid to tambal dili to maron. Okay, so here again nga nindot sa ba kaniyang kanta nga kapag tumibok ang puso wala ka nang magagawa kundi sundin ito. So again, this is for the heart, no. So again, this is Noy Hobson, the Cobra Ironman champion, by which a day before, so nireklamo ni siya dito ni siya sa doctor, by which din na siya padaganon, pagkaugma na siya competition sa SM to SM run, which champion, again, no, champion, nga, di na again siya padakon sa doctor, no? So here, yung wife no mo, sa neto, ang kuan, mo ni siya HRD manager sa Chongwa, no? So here, hospital, one of the hospital here in Cebu, again, kita nag-treat niya, nag-handle rin nilang pamilya ha, in which, no, the trust and faith, no? Malagi na, no? Kita yung, mo ni naka-Boston Marathon in which nga, kita may strengthening, conditioning massage. And this is very joyable, no? Mali akong gingon nimo, nga I hope, no? I hope nga, sa una hapit na siya nasudi ko, no? Ang letter, dugay lang abot, in which nga, naa siya dito sa Manila, within 4 hours, uy, mag-resolve lagi ito, malagi na. Anyway, just pray, no? Again, tabal, no? Congratulations. So here, again, so, malagi na, gistadihan na ito na, gi-research na ito na, unsa may pinakagamit sa mga bike, no? So this is the muscle, no? Readiness nila, strength training of the cyclist, no? The core abdominals, the legs and the hip, no? The legs and the hips, so, again, the arms, no? Again, dili na yung tagkap, study and research, yeah, tus, minum ka sa kakwarto niya kung mga Xerox, mga band paper, in which nga, iusbon na po, kaya hantod nga maabot di mo sa magic word, no? Again, pinakadako ni expenses na ko, siguro na 500,000 na ni, may which hurot na gid akong kategorya na, no? Reload, tanan, no? May which lagi, dili, I don't want nga mawagid ka, dali na lang kayo na ako, ang pinakalisod na ko, katukado na cross, no? Again, kaya nagpaabot ang mga artista, ang mga media, ang mga tao, nga mga friends nila, by which, hinambog man to ako, but, together with the trust and faith, family support, and prayer, magic, no? Again, magic. So there, no? Again, pinakanindot pa rin siya. Sus, kitawagan pa yun ng, kinang lagi ka naas, ha? Pwede magpasalamat, no? So this is Hearty's Pure Care, the designer, the developer of the electric scooter. There you are, yeah, the electric scooter. Now, it's about the Arwin ergometer, no? Sunstar, Marathon Mom, kang cares, no? Dili lang kay usa, duha, no? Again, duha, 242 keys in 1 month. Again, how many doctors sulting, uy, basig ma-injury na naman, no? Kagkagas lang istorya, bewis na, Coach Harty Satina, there, yeah? Di nakuha, bewis, si Miss Donna Cruz, ginagawa na ni contributor, no? This here, again, si Donna Cruz, my contributor on the road, no? Again, much more fun here in Cebu. Okay, again, so Harty Satina in there, no? Dr. Yong, again, thank you for the trust and faith, Doc, and Marathon Mom, no? Again, congratulations. Again, once again, na po tayo bago na imbento, by which lagi, dili ni siya Pilipinas na, whole world na, by which 5 minutes is about water station. Di na ko coaching sa running. I'm coaching now in the stress test exercises, no? Stress test exercises, by which sa whole world, sa hospital, Harvard, John Hopkins School of Medicine, anywhere, no? Again, shuttle, sa NASA, by which kinakuha na nila nga minutes is about 12 minutes maximum time, by which kumukulapse makulong together with my trust and faith, no? Again, every 5 minutes, no, na training program, every 5 minutes, the water station, para di ka makulapse, no? Again, this is the, muna to sa, ito ang pagka-marathoner, and strengthening, conditioning, and relaxing massage, then the weights, no, the gasoline, mo to. Again, mauna to itong mga kuha, no? So, Again, to the next one is the Arwin ergometer. Thank you.